Oftentimes we are interested in creating dummy variables, particularly when we use regressions. So how do you do this? Here in this example we have reaction time in seconds, and now we just want to say we have slow people and we have fast people. So fast people are, let's say, under 1 minute, and the rest is above 1 minute. So we take this variable and we create a new variable. We'll do a transformation, recode into different variables. Okay. Now here we have a prior variable, so we get that out of there. Now we use the reaction time score and we create a reaction time dummy. So we could say reaction time dummy. And you could actually make this shorter. Let's say just say R time dummy, and then here reaction time dummy, and we hit change. So we're going to create out of the reaction time variable, we're going to create a reaction time dummy variable. So we're going to remove these. This is saved. This was saved before from our transformation before. So what we'll have now is the old value. We say range. Okay, the lowest value through 1 minute or 1 second, those are going to be the fast ones. We're going to code those as a 1 and add. And we'll say from 1 on, 1 through the highest, we'll code that as a 0. So add. And then if we have missing variables, we'll just have those missing. We add this, and now we'll continue, and we'll paste this into our syntax. And then we can also go in here. We'll go back in, and we'll run it. You can see recodes reaction time, and now let's go see what it did. All right, we see values below a minute got a 1, values above a minute got a 0. You can see here 1.01, it got a 0. Okay, now we can also look at the syntax. Let's go check out our syntax here. And sometimes if you have more than 2 syntax open, it will paste it in the other one. So that's the advantage of just having one syntax open. We see reaction time, right? System missing will be system missing. The lowest through 1 equals 1, 1 through the highest equals 0, and we put that into the variable R time dummy, and the label for the R time dummy is reaction time dummy. Now what you can add is a value label. So let's do that right now. We would like to add a value label where we say the value labels for the variable reaction time dummy is 1 is below 1 second and 0 is above 1 second. So now if we hit, let's go look at the file here, right? You can see we don't have any values, right? There's none in there. Now if we run our syntax, let's just select the value labels. We don't have to calculate the dummy again. We do just add the value labels. Now you can see here, values, we added those labels. So 0 now means above 1 second, 1 means below 1 second. And now also a thing that you can do to check that you didn't make any mistakes. So we're going to do a cross tab. We're going to create a cross tab relation between the reaction time scores. We could do that as rows, and the reaction time dummy as a column. And we hit OK. Or let's paste it. We go into our syntax. Right, we have the cross tabs, reaction time by our runtime dummy. And now we can make sure that our recode worked. Right, you can see, okay, up to 1 it gets a 1, and from 1 on above 1 they get 1s. So it worked out well. Everything with our coding is right.